Good morning, students. As last class we had studied about the protozoa, their various parts we had seen, and today we will continue the economic importance of your protozoa. What is the economic importance of protozoa? Before that, children, I hope everybody had understood the malaria parasite. If any doubt is there, just I am explaining you once because last class I had not explained this one. Hari bari I had told you that go through once. As you can see, this is the structure of plasmodium. So this plasmodium is going to be entered inside the that particular female Anopheles mosquito, as you can see here. This is a structure of female Anopheles mosquito. Here what happened, as the plasmodium is entered in the form of oocyantine, it will fertilize. After fertilization inside the stomach, it will fuse with the egg and sperm. When it is showing the fusion, after that what it will go for the fertilized egg and it will form oocyantine. Oocyantine means during unfavorable condition, as you people are knowing, it is going to form the cyst. Then after that what happens, children? The cyst will form the young oocyst, then developing cyst. After that the mature cyst is going to form the sporozoites. That sporozoites is present in the salivary gland. And when the mosquito is biting, that sporozoites are going to be entered inside the human being's body or animal's body. When it will enter, it will take time to divide. How it is taking time to divide? As female gametocyte is there and this is male gametocyte is there. This particular will enter. After entering, it will enter to the liver cells, and there, if you are having a proper immune system and proper treatment in the earlier stage only, if you will catch, then you will get proper treatment. If the condition will become critical, as you people are knowing, during night time only, by shivering, the body is going to be heated up, that we will suffer from fever. So what happens, children? Due to that, the temperature of the body is going to be changed, because after certain time duration, that particular plasmodium is going to be replicated inside the body of the mosquito. As it is replicating inside the body of the mosquito, what will happen when the mosquito is going to be bite to the human being? There also it will take certain time to replicate and it will show the division. As the division is going on increasing, what will happen, children? The number of that particular spermatozoids are going to be increased and it will spread throughout the body, and may be possible that we may die also by the malaria. I hope now everybody understood the life cycle of plasmodium. Now see the economic importance. It is having both the characteristics useful as well as the harmful. Okay, children. Then after that, mostly it causes the human disease. After that, sometimes they may occur as a food, okay, for protection purpose. Then next one, Protestia symbiotic form. Here unicellular cells are there. Generally, children, this particular Protestia is causing the disease only in the body of the animals as well as the plants. As you can see, the parasitic protozoa, that is malaria, dysentery, pyorrhea, sleeping sickness and diarrhea, vaginal infection, this all are going to be caused by the protozoas only. Okay. Then after that, children, they are having certain good thing also, such as your Trichonympha isoflagellates lives in the guts of the termites, and they will digest the wood only in presence of your this particular protozoa. So that enzymes are going to convert the wood cellulose into soluble carbohydrate. So we can't say that always they are showing the harmful effects, and positive aspects are also there. Okay, children, I hope everybody had understood the chapter and you people are preparing your notes. Prepare very well and write all the notes as per the videos, as per your textbook. If any type of problem is there related to writing the notes or any other issues, you can contact me in the WhatsApp. You can send me the message in the WhatsApp. I will clear your doubt. I hope everybody will understood this all topics. Okay, children, thank you. Take care.